We'll guide you through how to install Dropbox for Windows 10. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Dropbox website by typing dropbox.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Download or Get Dropbox. Click on it to download the installation file for Windows 10. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Dropbox installer file. This will start the installation process. A window will pop up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The Dropbox installation wizard will now appear. Here, you can choose between a typical installation or a custom one if you want to specify particular settings. For most users, the typical installation works just fine, so select that and click Install. The installation will now begin, and it should only take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll be prompted to either sign in to your existing Dropbox account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. If you're creating a new account, you'll need to provide your name, email, and create a password. If you're signing in, just enter your email and password. After signing in, Dropbox will prompt you to decide where you'd like to store your Dropbox folder on your computer. You can choose the default location or specify a different one if you prefer. Once everything is set, click Open My Dropboxes. Congratulations! Dropbox is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 computer. You can access your files from the Dropbox icon in the system tray or by opening the Dropbox folder. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.